What's up, you guys? Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Farina and nice to meet you. For today's video, I wanted to do this hair tutorial for you guys because a lot of you always request this video. Every time I put a picture on Instagram story, you guys are always like, can you please do a hair tutorial? And I feel like there's already a lot of like mermaid waves tutorial out there. You guys still just like want to see it from me. So today, that's what we're doing. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my mermaid waves, I guess. And this is my natural hair right now. What I usually do with my hair, just to keep it a little bit more, you know, decent, I guess, I like to braid it the night before and then I go to sleep with it and then just like, you know, unravel the natural mermaid wave. But sometimes I don't have the time to braid my hair and then wait for it to, you know, get all wavy. So this is kind of like the alternative way of how I achieve or how I do my mermaid waves. I just use this Revlon crimper or waver. I got it off Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. I believe this was like $20 or like less than $20. But yeah, so I just turned it on and basically can unclamp it like that. You can adjust the temperature. Also, my nails, please do not even come for me. We are in quarantine right now. But anyways, yeah, you can control the temperature. It has an increment of like 5, so 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It gets pretty hot. Also like to wear gloves because if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you know I had this really unfortunate beauty incident, I guess. It wasn't this curler, it was like a wand, and it was super hot, and I was like, oh my god, like I knew hair curlers were hot, but I didn't know they were that hot that it was gonna burn my skin. So I got a 2nd degree burn, and I will forever have this little scar here. So ever since then, I'm just like, I don't care what kind of curler or hot tools I'm using, I'm gonna use a glove. So anyways, if you would like to know how I do my hair and like achieve mermaid waves, just gonna keep watching. As always, you guys, we are so close to 100k, and I'm so happy that you guys are liking my content. I try to like talk to you guys and like update you guys with my life as I do my mermaid waves. But yeah, anyways, let's gonna get started. Like I said, this is my natural hair. I didn't like put any products yet. My hair naturally splits in the middle, so I like to take this comb and I just like to run it over and just like follow my natural line. Also, my baby hairs here, yeah, they don't know what they're doing, so I kind of just like let them be. And then of course, you can't forget to protect your hair always. I've used the TRESemmé Thermal Creations Heat Tamer Leave-In Spray for, I don't even know, probably like since I was in high school. This is the only product that I've used when it comes to like protecting my hair before I use any hot tools, and I'm actually kind of running out. I feel like it's like here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz this. And then I also do not like to comb through my hair before I do my mermaid waves because I have naturally curly hair, so I feel like my natural curly hair and then the mermaid waves that is achieved through the hot tool combined will produce or make more of a nicer, I woke up like this, mermaid waves. Just gonna go ahead and massage the product all over. I went ahead and sectioned my hair into 2 sections, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this side for now, and we'll come back to it just so it doesn't get like mixed up. Oh my god, I look like 12. So I start off with my front pieces. I just take maybe like 1/2 inch section like so, and then put that back, and I'm gonna start at the top, and I'm just gonna clamp it, leave it on for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. You just have to find where the last wave is, and then that's where you continue this strand, if that makes sense. So for example, you guys can see how it's like right here. I'm like kind of scared. I don't want to like put this next to my face because it's really hot. So you're gonna place this left barrel where that wave is, so it continues. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. And then again, 1, 2, 3. And then I like to leave the ends of my hair just as it is because it looks more natural. So there's your first wave. So again, clamp down. 1, 2, 3. Find the last wave. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. You can obviously like leave it longer. And then you kind of just like play around with it. So you just keep doing that. And if the ends are like driving you crazy, just wait till the end. I will show you guys my little trick, but I like to like leave the ends a little bit straight for right now. So the thicker your strands are, or your sections or pieces of hair, the more you're gonna have to press it down, or like the more you're gonna have to keep it clamped longer. Because the thicker the pieces are, obviously it's gonna take a lot more time to wave them. I've thought about like going black. I feel like I would look a lot older, but I'm like not over my light color yet. Like I love it, like especially like when I'm doing mermaid waves, I feel like the highlights just kind of adds more texture to my hair. Like a heatless mermaid wave tutorial, let me know. I can also do that because I know there are people out there who would prefer like not using hot tools, or if you guys don't have a hot tools, like you don't have to buy it, you know. So just let me know if you guys want to see that. We're on our last piece on this side. This strand is really trying to get in. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And there's your front piece. Ooh. Oh, so cute. So you want to switch off with thinner and then thicker pieces. And that's how it looks like. Ta-da! So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I finished curling the rest of my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and redo a couple of the front piece just so it like matches on this side. This has been my go-to hairstyle literally for the past couple of weeks because it's so easy and I feel like you really don't have to do much, especially if you already have like curly hair. you're kind of just like enhancing your curls basically. So I'm gonna go ahead, and this one is looking dull. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take everything on one side and then just clump the bottom pieces. There we go. Do the same thing on the other side. There's like no particular way to do this. I'm literally just clamping them. Alrighty guys, this is the final look. You can go ahead and apply hairspray if you want to. I honestly hate wearing hairspray, so I'm not even gonna do it. The last thing I usually do is apply oil just to keep my baby hairs at bay and like not so crazy. So I like to use the Moroccan oil treatment, and I love this one. My friend actually gave this to me for my birthday, I believe, and it smells so good. My mom is also like, can I have some? And I'm like, yeah. So I just like to apply this all over my hair, especially like where my middle line is, because that's where all my crazy baby hairs are. And then also like around this area. I just like to massage it. And then whatever leftover I have, I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch it up. And crunch it up. I don't know if that's a word. Hello, English? You can also do this strip to give you more volume. And there you have it. I'm gonna put some music on so I can do some hair modeling for you guys. Guys, I have been super obsessed with TikTok. It's crazy. I was like, oh, I can't do it TikTok. But now here I am trying to learn dances at 3 in the morning.
Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home.
Alrighty guys, that is everything I have for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys do recreate this look, literally dancing to TikToks or learning TikTok dances is a whole workout itself. But if you guys recreate this look, please make sure to tag me so I can repost you guys on my Instagram, which is @Farina Aguinaldo. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.